Before I get started with today's project, make sure you go to Cricut blog page and check out the Cricut Face Mask with windows for deaf and hard of hearing. Welcome back to See Winter Baby Design. On today's episode, I will be doing a Cricut Face Mask with window. What I have on my table is the Scotch Guard fabric protector, the shower curtain lining, the Cricut Monday fabric, as well as elastic. Lay the shower curtain liner onto the LightGrip mat. My measurements are 6x5. The reason why I did it by 6x5 is to make sure I have enough room when I cut the pattern. Lay out the fabric on your FabricGrip mat. My measurements are 12x12. Match up pieces right sides together. Sew the curved portion with a 1/4 seam allowance. Align the outer and line pieces right sides together and stitch along the top and bottom with a 1/4 seam. Backstitch to reinforce the seam when necessary. Leave the sides and windows portion open. This is why it's very important to make sure you read the instruction. So number 8 said, turn the mask right side out to press the window. I did it the opposite way. I turned it inside out and pressed it. So make sure you pull the fabric and turn it inside out and then press the window. 9. Slide the plastic vinyl into the mask through the window area. Make sure there's no open areas. Try to arrange it so the plastic will curve slightly outward, away from the mouth. Use double-sided tape to help you with the plastic. This was the most frustrating part of the project, was getting the shower curtain onto the fabric. So what I ended up doing was getting the double-sided tape, taped all around it, and placed the plastic on top. What I did was I did it inside out because I find it was better to do it that way. I was very frustrated because this was like my third attempt to do the window and make sure that is straight. I was looking at the picture on Cricut and it's like, how did she get the stitching straight? And then I really looked at it. I said, oh, I see it is kind of like a gap. So I didn't worry about it too much. I just went ahead and just put tape all around it and then stuck the plastic on top. I just modified this step to make it easier for me. You could do it the way how Cricut has it, but I did it this way because it's easier for me. And also, I didn't notice I didn't record the part where I had did the for the ears. What I did was fold the fabric fold the fabric an inch in, and then I stitched the outside of the face mask. this how the face mask look like. Like I said, I stitched the outside to close the gap. I make sure I back stitch because it was an opening. As you see, I did the elastic 7 inches. So this is how it look all the way around. And this is the front of the face mask. And this is how the back of the window face mask is looking like. You see it's like a fold here because I had a fold, because if not, it was going to be a gap all the way around it. Let me know down below what you think about this DIY project. Thank you for watching and have a nice evening.